guys. There's been a new update in Iron Bird. Wait a minute. Should we change back to the pink and let's do that. I'm back to the normal picking. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna change back to golden skin, but anyways, like there's boats now. My gosh. But there wasn't any new weapon. But oh my gosh, there is a boat. Nice, congratulations, boy, you know they won that. I ain't even broken mad. I'm young, I'm black and blue. You trying to sell my life. I'm buying. Nice, congratulations. Okay, why am I doing that? Nice boat, boy. We'll take it for some bird poop. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I have to break this boat. They must be able to break the boat. Surely, let's go grab a weapon. Mustly be able to destroy the boat. Okay, yeah. But there's no new weapons on 4 hours. I have the mind of an angelfish. I do not have to brain of but an angel. Seems like a nice one. Say hello to my little friend.
That's enough cardio for today.
3, 2, 1. I'm going to close my eyes. And whatever skin I go on, I need to change for the day. So I'm going. Okay, one more. I'm going to open my eye on my pink bag. Oh well. Imagine if this made like a different colour. Jerry Chopper. If you can destroy the boat, does that mean that you can get the boats to hang on to? Imagine if we get this guy to get onto it. Wait, imagine if we could do 4. So, imagine if there was I might need to reset my game. How do we reset them? This is how I reset my games. Oh, come on! I'm gonna have to do something real quick. Finally! About that! See if you can hang the boat. Oh, buddy! Get out, come out, wherever you are. When I turn around the boat, there's gonna be a boat. Where are these boats? Up there's some. Okay, so just gonna hang on to these boats. And yeah, I'm gonna die now. I don't wanna die!